Star FM sounding good all the time. You are tuned into the biggest, the baddest radio station in Zimbabwe. And this is the Morning Galaxy. 20 minutes past 9 o'clock. It's time for us to jump into our trending stories. Remember, Uti, if you missed any of our trending stories, you can actually log on to our Facebook because we are currently live. Or you can just hop onto our Instagram. Follow Instagram, TikTok, uphinde futhi uye ku-YouTube uyenze into ziyenzwayo yabona ke manje sengikunikela ama-tips lama-advice kanye futhi ukuthi utshele labanye bakho abangekho eZimbabwe ukuthi they can tune into our trending stories, they can tune into all our shows just by going onto the website, which is www.starfm.co.zw. So our trending story for today is the mother who posted on X seeking advice. She posted, "Bundle of joy came home with only a khaki cover written his name. Hanzi ma exercise book ndapha Mwana because anogara asina plus teacher vanogara vachimtuka. In as much as I understand that he is kind, but andinamari, it's January. Ndomrova here ndoita say I want him to remain as sweet and kind. But where do I draw the line without, changing his nature?" Okay. Yeah. That's all I have to say. Because you know what? That's actually a beautiful thing. I can't be mad at this sweet little boy. I can't be mad. Because as much as she's broke, I just can't be mad. It's just too sweet, man. But then again, I understand the stress is got January disease, stress is on my uniform. I understand where is she coming from. But then again, I think every parent wants a sweet child. Every parent wants a humble child. Yeah, well, but to what extent now? My child, you can't make me go broke in the pockets because you are kind. What's your take on this? 07721626051 is our station number. Send me a voice note. I'm also keen on hearing how you sound. So yeah. A mom posted on X a bundle of joy yakhe ibuye endlini with just khaki covers written his name kuthiwa ama exercise book nginike omunye umntwana because uhlala engela, and you know what, the teacher vanogara vachimtuka. Saka Hansi, in as much as I want him to be a kind child, andinamari, it's January, ndomita say ndomrova here Hansi, I want him to remain a sweet and kind boy, but how do I make him draw the line without changing his nature? Lewandowski.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, that's I am good. Let me give you a rundown. Lewa was wearing these thick black sunglasses indoors. Ubophe iqhiye, ufake ijacket, ngani izolo ebengaphi ngaphi nje into engitshoyo. Ubungaphi?
Home? My jacket is white and it's still white. meaning I'm coming from home, and
Khona into efihlayo girl. Mina ngiyakubona, I see right through you.
coming from home. So I guess she's lucky to get the khaki covers back, because I'm sure this little boy the khaki covers akanyorwa zita rake and they don't share a name. Aitomumba akakava kularo ESE. It's sweet.
It is
and
very
sad
sweet
at the same time. Kuti kune mumwe mwana, unfortunately, anoenda kuchikoro asina stationery yakakwana, and kune mumwe anoenda ainazvo.
Exactly.
And kwabva kwaitika a scenario whereby teacher akuda mabhuku ake, and teacher akuda mabhuku mwana anofanira kunyora, and it gets to this little boy kuti ndinawo akakwana, I've never sanambotukirwa mabhuku because my parents provide ndimupe. But it is sacrifice futhi yembereki, not kuti mbereki ana. It's a really sad situation.
It really is a sad situation. But I think it goes to show kuti Vana, they become emotionally aware after the age of 6. Kids are now, they're now emotionally aware. They can see wrong, they can see right, they can empathize, which you should be proud, because if your child at the age of 6, 7, 8 can actually feel something for someone else and help, you are basically raising a good human being.
Yeah, he is a good human, but I'm married somewhere. This is January. This is January. Sacrifice mabhuku, or maybe anototenga hembe dzangu dzeChristmas kuti nditenge mabhuku, not saying kuti mubereki uye asina, they were careless and they don't care, maybe zvikwanisiro zviri kunetsa. But I'm thinking also, how do you also teach your child kuti, in as much as it's nice to be kind, you also have to putting yourself first. It's not selfish. Putting yourself first, not in a selfish way, but putting yourself first.
True.
arega vafunze kuti wait kuti unomudzidzisa paage yake anonetsa kunzwisisa because age yake I'm thinking ndema yes or no kuti umudze kuti there's a grey line between dzato wakutomudza kuti either ndichampa or handimupe or mama muri kuti kana munhu achida rubatsiro handimubatsire or ndomubatsira.
You see what I'm saying? I think kuti inini hangu this child did a good thing for one, but dai akanoudza mai vake first kuti mama
ticha vanga vachipopota shamwari by the time vandozosvika kumba mama anga arohwa ticha vakwidza voice and I thought maybe the teacher was going to beat
you think
her.
kuti Mwana could have been this child's best friend? Do you understand? Vanenge vatori neka relationship kuchikoro ipavo like
kana kushaya you'll be surprised with these kids kuti ndatomuona anga achipamba paassembly munotita mese ayo anga asina boots kwamhana amupa inenge iriwo nature yake. So I understand the concern of this parent kuti her child is a sweet boy.
Yes.
He's kind. But sometimes kindness eva muda kutotaura in language yanhu akuru kuti unogona kuzotekwa advantage because you're kind. Wawana language inotosiyana kuti hanzwisise kuti mabhuku aya ndatomatengerwa kusvika panofanira kunge apera mama vanenge vatsvagwa imwe mari at this stage havasisina asi uye haana mabhuku.
Hansi, guys, I'm in the same situation. Whenever I go shopping, my 3-year-old wants me to buy 2 of whatever I'm getting, so she gives her best friend 2. I think it's the best thing to do, to praise the child for sharing and to share, but explain to him or her she has to ask before giving anything away.
Yeah, true.
First come to mama, my baby, I want you to be giving, I want you to be loving, I want you to be caring and sharing, but we are with the mama first. What's your take on this? Please let us know. 07721622651. You're hanging out with Lewandowski and Zanani on the Morning Galaxy.